good?
Hey everybody, welcome back to a channel. Hey, I'm Tegan. And I'm Madison. We're the Fitness Sisters. And today we will be teaching you how to make chocolate M&M protein balls. Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Alright you guys, these are the ingredients. Oatmeal, coconut flakes, protein powder, chia seeds, M&Ms, peanut butter, but if you're allergic, you can also use wow butter, and honey and vanilla. First, you're gonna add all your dry ingredients. First, the oatmeal mix. Then your coconut flakes. And then protein powder. And then your chia seeds. And then your M&Ms. Now we're gonna stir all of the stuff until it's all mixed. Yeah, all mixed and then blended, and then after we're gonna put the wet ingredient. Now we're gonna put the peanut butter. So now we're gonna put the peanut butter in. Take your time. And you might need a spatula to get it out. Now we're gonna put the honey. This is really sticky, so please use a spatula. Take it all out because you need to stick the protein balls. Yeah, or else the protein balls will not stick. And that's a bad thing. Or else you don't have balls. Okay, now we're gonna put the vanilla extract on top. Stir it slowly so it won't go everywhere. Make sure you stir it really, really good so it gets all the stickiness, so then you can make them into balls. So before you roll the balls, you probably should wash your hands so then all the germs that were in your hands don't get in your food and get in your mouth. It should probably make up to 18 protein balls, but I like to use this scoop so then. Yeah. Then you're gonna take the ball and roll the ball inside your hands until it's the right shape that you want it to be. Then after I give it to my sister Tegan, she puts it in the bowl. And you need that stuffed so it doesn't stick to the plastic. Or else it's stuck and then it rips. Like, you don't want it to rip. If you're at the end, if your balls don't stick, then you can add more honey. And once you're done making the protein balls, you always have to wash your hands after so they're not sticky. They're all ready, and now we're gonna put them in the fridge. It's kind of bumpy in here. There's so much, not very much space. They have to stay in the fridge for an hour. And they're almost ready. And when you are done eating one, then you probably should put them back in the fridge so then they do not get so then they keep fresh too. Oh, they're all ready. Let's take a bite. These are good. Tastes like chocolate. Maybe that's because they have M&Ms in them. Bye everybody. I hope you liked our video. If you ate them, give us a thumbs up and see if you like them. And give us a thumbs up if you love them and you love them to eat. And share with us us for the questions and comments below.